DeepID is a real-time intrusion detector for IoT nodes using deep learning. Abstract. In an era where IoT devices proliferate, the vulnerability of these nodes to network intrusions necessitates robust security measures. Here is our website, which you can find Python projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From Python projects to spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. This homepage introduces the DeepID's project. This is the About page of our project. This registration page for the ID's detection system enables users to create an account by entering their name, email, phone number, and password, along with a confirmation password. This login page for the ID's detection system allows users to enter their name, email, and password to access their accounts. This page serves as an introduction to the DeepID system, a real-time intrusion detector for IoT nodes using deep learning. This page allows users to upload a dataset for the intrusion detection system. It displays a preview of the dataset in a table format, alongside a file selection and upload button. This page is part of the intrusion detection system application, focusing on model performance evaluation. This page is designed for an intrusion detection system application. It allows users to input various packet-related metrics, such as lengths, variances, and bytes, to generate predictions related to network traffic. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.